Hello everyone, how to toast back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to introduce a app. It's called Zoosk social dating application. So you can download and install this application from Google Play Store and App Store. This both store this app is available, and you can see the name of the Zoosk social dating application. It's all about dating. You can engage with people, with your friend or your partner. So you can see the rating of the 3.6 out of 5 and 598k reviews and 79 megabyte size of the app, and you can see 10 million people plus already downloaded this application. Okay, so huge people already use this app for fun online dates, match, chat, and send virtual gifts to singles near to you. So if you really want to see the screenshot, find your perfect match. Like if you match, then uh, they will give you hints. Have 24 fun, so always fun. Meet new people. You can meet with new people, chat with singles, match with your type, and browse singles nearby. So see who like you and enjoy your dating. So it's all about dating application. And if you really want to learn more about this application, then go here and for fun online, and there are some key feature. And the app is released 2010. It's almost 13 years long. And if you really want to check some reviews, then check here ratings and reviews. And there are many things, but they are replied all the comment. So I think that's it. It's really easy to use this application. If you face any problem during using this application, please let me know in comment below. I'll give you the more solution video. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.